Hi, welcome to Math Boost Camp. In this lesson, we're going to learn to solve one-step equations with integers. Remember that addition and subtraction are inverse operations that undo each other, just as multiplication and division do. To solve for x, we need to isolate x on one side of the equation by undoing the previous operation. In this case, x is subtracted by 7. To undo that, we add 7 back. However, whatever you do on one side of the equation, you must do to the other side. Adding 7 and subtracting 7 cancel each other out, leaving x alone on the left. On the right, we combine negative 11 and positive 7. Since they have different signs, subtract their absolute values, maintaining the negative sign because negative 11 has a greater absolute value than positive 7. Therefore, the solution is x equals negative 4. Next, x is added by negative 5. To undo that, add the opposite number, which is 5, to both sides, canceling them out and leaving x by itself. Negative 8 plus 5 equals negative 3. Therefore, x equals negative 3. To double-check your answer, you can always plug the number back into the equation and see if it produces a true statement. Negative 5 plus negative 3 does give us negative 8. Therefore, the answer is correct. Let's practice more. To isolate x, subtract 12 from both sides, leaving x alone on the left. On the right, negative 8 and negative 12 are both negative, so add their absolute values, maintaining the negative sign. We get x equals negative 20. Next, x is added by 15, so subtract 15 from both sides. We get x equals negative 15. When you plug it back in, negative 15 plus 15 does give us 0 because they are opposites. In this case, x is multiplied by negative 8. Undo that by dividing both sides by negative 8, canceling them out, and we're left with just x on the right. On the left, divide negative 32 by negative 8, which results in positive 4. X is divided by negative 9. Undo that by multiplying both sides by negative 9, leaving x alone on the left. On the right, 4 times negative 9 equals negative 36. Therefore, x equals negative 36. X is multiplied by negative 12. Opposite of that is division by negative 12. Dividing both sides by negative 12 leaves x by itself. On the right, 12 divided by negative 12 results in negative 1. X is divided by negative 2. Undo that by multiplying both sides by negative 2. The negative 2's cancel out, leaving x alone. On the right, negative 10 times negative 2 equals positive 20. Therefore, 20 is our solution. Now you're ready to practice these skills independently and boost your confidence. Please check the description below to download the worksheet on this topic along with the answer key. See you in the next lesson.